The OnePlus 15R was unveiled just a day ago, and most of the attention instantly went to one thing: its massive 7400 mAh battery. What makes this even more interesting is that the OnePlus 15R is the cheaper, less premium model, yet it has a bigger battery than the flagship OnePlus 15, which comes with a 7300 mAh cell. On paper, the difference is only 100 mAh, but it still sends a strong message. OnePlus is clearly not afraid to break the usual rules. While many brands focus on flashy software tricks, OnePlus decided to go all in on real hardware. A 7400 mAh battery puts the OnePlus 15R firmly in the two-day phone category. Depending on how much you game, scroll, or stream, this phone could easily push into a third day without charging. That's impressive, especially when you compare it to competitors that have barely changed battery sizes for years. But calling the OnePlus 50R just a big battery phone would be selling it short. This device is built mainly for gamers who don't want a phone that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. It doesn't scream gaming phone, yet under the hood it absolutely is one. The OnePlus 15R features a huge 6.83-inch AMOLED display with a refresh rate that goes all the way up to 165 Hz. Some mobile games already support this refresh rate, and when they do, the difference is real. Smoother motion means faster reactions, clearer visuals, and a genuine edge in competitive games. OnePlus even claims this gives players an unfair advantage, and honestly, that's not far from the truth. Powering all of this is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset. It's not the top-tier Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 found in the OnePlus 15, but it's still extremely powerful. Compared to the previous generation, it offers a big jump in CPU performance along with solid gains in graphics and AI tasks. Paired with 12 GB of fast LPDDR5X RAM and super speedy UFS 4.1 storage, the phone feels quick, smooth, and reliable in everyday use and intense gaming sessions. OnePlus didn't stop there. Heat is the enemy of performance, especially for gamers, and the OnePlus 15R tackles this with a large vapor chamber cooling system. This helps keep temperatures under control, so performance doesn't drop after long play sessions. On top of that, there's an upgraded gyroscope that tracks extremely fast movements with high precision, a new touch response chip with a massive 3200 sampling rate, and improved Wi-Fi performance for more stable online gaming. Of course, the OnePlus 15R is not perfect. The biggest disappointment is the camera setup. Unlike its predecessor, it no longer has a dedicated telephoto camera. Instead, you get a 50MP main camera and an 8MP ultra-wide camera. In this price range, an 8MP sensor feels outdated. Many users would have preferred a proper telephoto lens for portraits and zoom shots. Dropping the ultra-wide instead would have made more sense for most people. Then there's the price. The OnePlus 15R starts at $699, which is $100 more than the OnePlus 15R. While $100 may not sound huge today, it's still a noticeable jump. With phones getting more expensive every year, this feels like an early warning of what 2026 might bring. A smaller price increase would have been easier to accept, especially with the missing telephoto camera. Still, when you look at the full picture, the OnePlus 15R offers a lot. It's not just about the battery, even though that battery is hard to ignore. It's a powerful, well-optimized phone designed for people who care about performance, smooth gaming, and long-lasting endurance without carrying a bulky gaming device. The OnePlus 15R is like a rugged SUV that can do far more than just haul cargo. You can enjoy the battery life, but there's a lot more capability waiting if you need it. And if all you want is the biggest battery number possible, there are other phones aiming even higher. But as a balanced performance, focused device, the OnePlus 15R stands out in a very crowded market.